Hello, good morning. Today's talk will be on importance of geography in tourism and vice versa. The role of tourism geography. As the importance and popularity of tourism is increasing by many folds, especially in the last 2 or 3 decades, becoming one of the biggest industries in the world, so has so has the role of tourism in geography and its study. While before there were few mentions of tourism related facts in any book or research of geography, today we cannot imagine any geographical descriptions without a separate chapter on tourism. Tourism is essentially a primarily geographical phenomenon regarding the transfer of people and services from one place to another through space and time. So, a special domain dedicated to the research of the interconnections between tourism and geography was inevitable. Although the scientific field is new, the connections of geography and travel can be traced to ancient times when geographers had no other way of describing the world than traveling and seeing it for themselves. The real connection between geography and tourism are linked to specific terms such as place, location, space, accessibility, scale, and others. This science also has an integrative character, containing key elements from all fields of geography, physical, human, and economic. Besides this, tourism geography also has many common points with other sciences, including history, geology, biology, art, economy, and so on. There is also another link between the two domains of geography and tourism, as the primary factor which attracts tourists to a certain area is geography, with all its specific elements. The interconnections go a lot deeper, as tourists usually choose a certain destination primarily through the perceived experience of that place. As they envision its geographical characteristics, they use means of transportation to travel over the land or water surface, creating what we call tourism fluxes or a tourist circulation. While visiting a certain place, tourists actually actively discover and appreciate the geography of that place, from the landscapes with the typical forms to the traditions of the local population, all while benefiting the local economy and using its resources. In conclusion, tourism geography studies the relations between places, people, landscapes, describing travel and tourism as an economic, social, and cultural activity. More concisely, it is all about the spatial and temporal dynamics as well as the interactions between the tourism resources. Finally, we can conclude by stating that tourism and geography go hand in hand, and no one and one cannot be separated from the other. Without the existence of geography, tourism has got no meaning, and vice versa. It is only for tourism that people are more aware and keen to gather more information on geographical topics, aspects, matters, and conditions pertaining to a place or a location. Both share an intrinsic and symbiotic relationship between them and shall cease to exist without the support and complement of each other. Thank you.